Good morning. I'm going to share with you just a little fun mini that I'm doing this morning. Let me back up and just out with Giselle. Oh, I am rotating. While we have some morning tea. And there's Giselle's drawing. And here's my little painting that I'm working on. It's a little succulent. Good morning, Rachel. So there's the succulent right there in the window. And there are my doggies outside the window. And good morning, Kathy. So I just wanted to share with you just a couple of minutes since I don't have a tripod. I'm just going to finish up a little. So this is my little fun box like that I made for my vacation. Remember that if you saw the video? And it's just a plastic. I know it looks gigantic because it's open, but it closes up into a 12 by 12 box. Good morning everyone. So here's my little succulent painting, and now I'm just going to add some little fun background to it with some, I want to mess up the background a little bit with some flat white. Give it some texture.
But anyway, I can't do anything good, but I know you watched it like that. She was head of the Republican charity thing.
Hi Barbara, this is my own little morning mini, unplanned. Giselle wanted to go out for coffee this morning, so I brought my little fun kit, and I am painting this little succulent that's right here. Now it's getting really sunny. You see that little succulent? And that is my subject for the morning. Do you recognize the brown underpainting and the painting up to the object? That's what we're doing. And then I love when the paint looks kind of scraped on, so I'm just rubbing the side of the brush. See that cool texture it gives? It brings out the texture of the canvas. It looks really rough and scratchy. Okay, so that's it. There's my little paint palette. Hi Laura, good morning. And there is my little 4x4. Da, da, da. I can't see it in that light actually there. Now you can see a little better. All right, that's it. If you want to know where I'm actually at this really cute coffee shop. It's called Little Bean. And it's an adorable coffee shop in downtown Antioch. All right, time to clean up and head back to the house. Have a great Sunday, everybody.